This inequality is a little bit more complex. X divided by negative 2 minus 3 is greater than negative 4. The first step is to add 3 to both sides. Once you've done that, you get negative 1 is less than x divided by negative 2. If you multiply both sides by negative 2, you'll clear this fraction, which is the next step. Once the fraction is gone, you end up with x is less than positive 2. The reason that you had to flip this sign is because you multiplied by a negative number. So again, x is less than positive 2.